Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use OP Autoclicker. First, download and install OP Autoclicker on your computer if you have not already done so. Once installed, open OP Autoclicker. You will see the main settings window with several options you can customize. First, choose the click interval. This determines how fast the Autoclicker will perform clicks. You can set the interval in hours, minutes, seconds, or milliseconds depending on your needs. Next, look for the click options section. Here you can choose which mouse button you want the software to use. You can select the left mouse button, right mouse button, or middle mouse button. You can also choose the click type. Select single click, double click, or triple click based on what you need. Now go to the click repeat section. If you want the Autoclicker to stop after a certain number of clicks, select repeat and enter the number of clicks. If you want it to keep clicking until you manually stop it, select repeat until stopped. Next, choose where the clicks will occur. Select current location if you want the Autoclicker to follow your mouse cursor wherever it is on the screen. Select fixed location if you want the clicks to happen at a specific spot on the screen. If you choose fixed location, click the pick location button and then select the exact position on your screen where you want the clicks to occur. Now check the hotkey settings. By default, the start and stop hotkey is usually F6, but you can change it to any key you prefer. The hotkey will work even when OP Autoclicker is running in the background. Once everything is configured, move to the application, game, or website where you want to use the Autoclicker. Press the start hotkey to begin clicking automatically. The software will continue clicking based on the settings you selected. When you want to stop the Autoclicker, simply press the same hotkey again. OP Autoclicker automatically saves your settings, including your selected click location, making it easy to use again later. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.